Have you ever wondered how close the nearest black holes are to us? Buckle up, because we're about to explore not one, not two, but the three closest black holes to Earth. From Gaia BH1, the nearest cosmic vacuum, to Gaia BH2 and BH3, these black holes are closer than you might think. Stick around to uncover their secrets and discover why these dormant space giants are causing such a stir in the scientific community. You won't want to miss the cosmic drama unfolding just light years away. You're probably wondering how scientists found these cosmic vacuum cleaners. Well, it's amazing. We've got this super fancy space telescope called Gaia, chilling out in orbit, taking pictures of billions of stars. Think of it as a cosmic yearbook photographer. But way cooler, it's like trying to find a huge, dark blob in a room full of shiny disco balls. But these guys used a special trick called astrometry. They measured how the stars moved and figured something was pulling on them. It's like when you're on a swing and your buddy gives you a little push, except in this case, the push was from a black hole and is a lot stronger than your buddy. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that a teaspoon of black hole material weighs more than the entire planet Earth? That's some serious density. So yeah, that's how they found these sneaky black holes. It's like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack with way higher stakes. Who knew you could find a monster space vacuum just by watching stars dance? Do you want to know about the closest black holes to Earth? Before we tell you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That's it. We're about to dive in. 3, 2, 1. First up, we've got Gaia BH2. This bad boy is chilling about 3,800 light years away in the constellation Centaurus, which is super far. But in cosmic terms, it's just our next door neighbour with an estimated mass of around 9 times that of the Sun. Imagine having a giant, invisible space vacuum as a neighbour. Talk about a real success at the neighbourhood barbecue. Get it? Success. Whoa, it's a tough crowd. Moving on. Now, Gaia BH2 isn't your typical black hole. It's part of a binary system, which means it has a companion star. It's like in a relationship with a star, but they're not precisely couple goals. Why? Unlike BH1 and BH3, BH2 got a wider separation from its partner than most binary black holes. They're like that weird couple you see at the grocery store who never seem to be on the same page, and scientists are scratching their heads trying to figure out how this odd couple ended up together. This little cosmic drama was uncovered thanks to that smart space telescope, Gaia, which discovered this black hole in 2023. Who knew that by looking at stars, we could find these monster space vacuums? It's like finding a lost sock, if that sock could suck up the entire laundry basket. And guess what? There might be even closer black holes out there. Some scientists think there could be one hanging out in the Hyades cluster, which is only about 150 light years away. That's right around the corner. Well, if you think about it in space math, can you imagine having a black hole as a neighbour? We've covered the third closest black holes, oh boy. So let's dive into Gaia BH3. This giant isn't just big, it's the Arnold Schwarzenegger of black holes. They're bulkier and more powerful than you can imagine. Gaia BH3 is the largest stellar mass black hole ever found in our Milky Way. It's a real cosmic heavyweight with about 33 times the mass of our Sun. Can you imagine something that big just floating around out there? It's like finding a skyscraper-sized bug in your backyard. And get this, it's only 1,926 light years away in Aquila constellation. That's close in space terms. They said that Gaia BH3 probably formed after the death of a star more than 40 times as massive as the Sun. Black holes that result from the collapse of a single star are called stellar black holes. According to astronomer and study co-author Tzevi Mazeh of Tel Aviv University in Israel, Gaia BH3 is the largest known stellar black hole. That's right, this cosmic beast is just hanging out in our galaxy, defying all expectations, and this is the first time we've found a black hole of this size within our galaxy because Usually these big guys hang out in far-off galaxies. So why don't black holes get good grades? They aren't bright enough. Now, here's what's interesting about Gaia BH3. Matter in a black hole is so tightly packed that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. And most stellar mass black holes we know are actively feeding on matter from a nearby companion star, which heats them tremendously and makes them emit X-rays. These are called X-ray binaries. But you see, when a black hole doesn't have a nearby star to steal from, it becomes dormant and almost invisible. It's like a picky eater, just chilling out and doing nothing. That's why astronomers call Gaia BH3 a sleeping giant, because it's a massive black hole, relaxing, not gobbling up any stars nearby. Think of it as the hibernating bear of the galaxy. Massive, powerful, but chill. This discovery is shaking up our understanding of black hole formation. Typically, black holes of this size are formed from massive stars that explode in spectacular supernovae. But Gaia BH3's existence suggests much more to learn about these cosmic mysteries. While Gaia BH3 is fascinating, it's not the only black hole making headlines. What if I told you there's one even closer to home? In September 2022, astronomers hit the jackpot with a groundbreaking discovery. Led by Kareem El Badri, the team identified Gaia BH1, the closest black hole ever found to Earth. Nestled a mere 1,600 light-years away in the constellation of Ficus, Gaia BH1 offers an unprecedented opportunity to study these cosmic enigmas up close. This black hole is about 10 times the size of our Sun, and it's part of a binary system, meaning it has a buddy star, but they're not exactly the best of friends, more like two housemates who just barely put up with each other. And just like Gaia BH3, BH1 is also a dormant black hole. It's not actively consuming material and emitting X-rays. Most black holes are constantly munching on stuff, but this one is like, nah, I'm good. Both black holes are lazy bums, and scientists are scratching their heads, trying to figure out why it's so chill. This makes it much harder to detect, as it doesn't give off the telltale radiation that often betrays the presence of these exotic objects. And that's Gaia BH1, the closest black hole to Earth. So why are these three black hole discoveries such a cosmic game changer? For starters, they're the closest black holes we've found so far. Imagine having cosmic vacuum cleaners right in your backyard. This proximity makes them prime targets for scientists eager to unravel the mysteries of these space beasts. What's even cooler is that these black holes are taking it easy. Unlike most black holes, which are constantly munching on nearby matter, these are just hanging out. Anyway, this lazy behavior challenges our understanding of how black holes typically behave and provides a unique opportunity to study them in a relaxed state. And get this, these black holes are massive compared to their peers, leading scientists to rethink everything they thought they knew about black hole formation. Their sheer size suggests that black holes can grow in ways we didn't fully understand before, offering fresh insights into their evolution and the conditions necessary for their formation. Uncovering these black holes is like discovering a new continent. It's a monumental step in our understanding of the universe. By studying these nearby cosmic giants, scientists can test theories about black hole physics, observe their interactions with their environments up close, and refine our models of stellar evolution and galactic dynamics. Gaia BH1, BH2, and BH3 might be the loneliest black holes out there, but they're just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. Their discovery not only fills in gaps in our knowledge, but also paves the way for future explorations. With the next Gaia data release set for 2025, we're on the edge of our seats to see what other stellar surprises await us, potentially transforming our grasp of the universe even further. Ever wondered what it'd be like to get close to a black hole? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. The cosmos is definitely full of mystery. But here's a thought that might really get your head spinning. Imagine a massive asteroid silently drifting through the dark reaches of space, potentially heading our way. Scary, right? In our next video, we'll dive into these potential cosmic threats and track the most dangerous near-Earth objects you've probably never heard of. You won't want to miss it. Click here to find out more.